And who had connections to TMZ?
Objection calls for speculation.
Do you know?
I do know. Johnny
Your
and I
Honor.
spoke about
Your
it.
Honor, calls for
Sustain
speculation.
the objection.
And that was during the mediation process in July, correct?
That was
Objection leading.
the first one.
Sustain
Okay.
is the leading.
When was this? Do you recognize this?
Objection, Your Honor. May we approach?
Yes, ma'am.
It has been suggested by Ms. Vasquez to you in your questions that you didn't tell anyone about the abuse until the TRO. Is that true?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
All right. What if any? Who did you tell about the abuse during the time it was happening?
Objection, Your Honor.
That's
Leading
not offered to. It's,
and hearsay.
Sustain.
Your Honor, it's prior consistent statements.
It's
that
leading.
you
It's
raised.
sustained.
What, if anything, did you tell to anyone about the abuse?
Objection, Your Honor.
therapist.
Hearsay.
I'll sustain
Your
the
Honor,
objection.
Your Honor, may I approach?
That's fine.
How many people have you shared the fact of abuse prior to 2015?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
How
Calls for
many?
hearsay.
How many?
Overruled that one.
Can you name them?
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I think she can. It's not offered. It's just to show that she informed people before. They're suggesting.
Objection,
she
Your
didn't
Honor.
tell
Can we
anybody.
approach? This is, again, inappropriate.
And you indicated that you, in fact, had after the divorce.
Objection, leading.
correct? Did you or did you not consult an ENT after the divorce?
Objection, leading.
Did you produce medical records to the defendants relating to this?
Objection, leading.
All right,
Calls.
I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you.
That's the what my ENT, the ears, nose, and throat doctor, told me was
Objection, Your Honor.
the
Hearsay.
All right, when there's objection, please stop talking. Thank you. All right, I'll sustain the objection as to hearsay.
What, if any, you were asked if you had, it was suggested that you had not produced this in discovery. Is that true or false?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
Your Honor, she absolutely did that.
It's leading. It's leading question, though. I'll sustain the objection as to leading.
What, if anything, did you do to produce medical records to the defendant, to the plaintiff in this case? Do you know how many were handed over?
hundreds of thousands, I believe. Maybe.
Objection, Your
more.
Honor. Lack of foundation.
All right, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
What, if anything, did you produce to the plaintiff in connection with your consultation with an ENT specialist relating to your nose?
Objection, leading.
Sustain.
What, I said, what, if
Foundation.
anything?
Hearsay.
What if anything? It's not the cure-all. It's sustained.
And as a result of that consultation, what did you learn about your nose?
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'm not asking her to tell what they said.
No, I'll sustain the objection.
What, if any, production did you make to the plaintiffs of your medical records with the ENT?
Objection, Your Honor. Lack of foundation.
Do you know whether the records, medical records from your EMT were produced in discovery? in this
Objection,
case?
Your Honor. Lack of foundation. Calls for speculation.
And do you recall? I'm trying. What, if anything, did the medical records reflect about your nose?
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection.
Please describe those to the jury.
I have
I'm going to
a bunch of
object
scar
to
tissue.
I'm going to object to the extent it calls for hearsay and lack of foundation.
I have a significant amount of scar tissue in my nose.
Objection, Your Honor.
I'll sustain the objection.
What, if any, difficulty do you have breathing?
Objection, leading.
What, if anything? And that does cure it.
No, it doesn't.
And Ms. Vasquez suggested that you did not report the abuse or the injuries to Aaron Falati. Do you recall
Objection,
that
Your
question?
Honor. Leading.
Your Honor, I'm entitled to go into what Ms. Vasquez said.
The objection is leading. I'll sustain the objection.
Okay. What, if anything, did you report to Aaron Filati about the abuse you sustained on 12/15/2015?
Objection, leading and hearsay.
And did you tell Connell Cowan about the injuries you sustained?
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
It's prior consistent statements.
All right, I'm going to sustain the objection at this point. Next question.
Do you recall Dr. Laurel Anderson testifying that she saw two black eyes
Objection, Your
on
Honor.
12/17?
Leading.
Sustain as to leading.
Okay. What, if anything, do you recall from Laurel Anderson's testimony in this case about what she observed on 12/17/2015?
Objection, Your Honor. This is outside the scope of cross-examination.
It's prior consistent statements.
I'm going to sustain the
It's
objection.
observations for
I'm
the
gonna
12/17, the same day. they
Sustain
said
the
she-
objection. Next question.
May I?
Okay.
When in December did you see Dr. Laurel Anderson?
Objection, lack of foundation.
Overrule.
That would have been the 17th of December, 2016, and I told her what happened.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection.
What, if any, motivation would you have to claim that Mr. Depp was kneeling on your back, knowing you had a backless dress?
Objection, Your Honor.
I
Leading.
think I can bring
Calls for
that up.
speculation.
It's still leading. I'll sustain the objection.
Okay. We've heard testimony about Mr. Depp making a total of $65 million in 2015 and 2016 from his experts.
Objection, Your Honor.
Why did
Leading.
I haven't asked the question.
Hearsay. I mean,
Why did you not ask for $32.5 million from Mr. Depp?
Your Honor. Leading.
I said, why did you not ask?
Irrelevant.
I'll
The
sustain the
explanation.
objection. Sustain the objection to leading. Next question.
When I heard that they wanted to fire me, and so I put myself in the
Objection,
gym.
Your Honor. Hearsay.
Sustain.
What, if any, role did Mr. Depp play in your getting Aquaman?
He tried to have me fired from it.
Objection, Your Honor. Speculation.
All right, I'll sustain as speculation.
How do you know that he tried to have you fired?
Objection, Your Honor. Calls for speculation and hearsay and lack of
That's the
foundation.
I'm trying to lay a foundation.
All right, if you lay foundation.
I saw it. I saw the emails. I saw the texts.
I'll sustain the objection as to hearsay. Next question.
And I told him, actually, right after it happened, what his friend had done.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I don't think it's offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
Okay. Can you just tell us what interaction you had with him and his opportunity to observe you with absolutely no makeup?
Objection,
That's
Your Honor.
impossible.
Leading.
I'll sustain the objection. It's leading.
Well, not only did I have makeup on, but I did attempt to kind of let him know what happened.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
What, if anything, do you recall relating to Officer Melissa Sines' testimony relating to your injuries?
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Your Honor said I could redirect after the cross-examination. when she- Can you describe for the jury what the interaction was, without saying what was said, what the interaction was that led to that?
He, after seeing my face, put his
Objection, Your
head on
Honor.
my
Calls for
shoulder.
speculation.
That doesn't call for speculation. If she sees that he sees her.
He touched the side of my
I'll
face,
sustain the
too.
objection.
What, if anything, did Mr. Waldman do to you relating to that article?
Objection, Your Honor. Lack of foundation. Calls for speculation.
Because he was calling me a liar and a hoaxer, and that this was an elaborate hoax just to get Johnny.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question. Next question.
Yeah, okay. I don't have any more questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Yeah, you can have a seat next to your attorney, okay? You can.